Ad Exchange is one of the biggest ad networks in the industry with the biggest pool of advertisers around the globe. Many premium publishers prefer running it on dynamic allocation, so it can compete against other demand partners on your inventory and will only serve if it can pay the highest bid for a given ad request. In order to run Ad Exchange only on dynamic allocation, first you have to make sure that on your ad unit settings, AdSense is disabled, which means this option here is unchecked. The first option to run Ad Exchange on dynamic allocation is to do it on the line item level. But first, you need to link it with your Google Ad Manager account. So go to Admin, Linked Accounts, go to the Ad Exchange tab, click on New Ad Exchange Link, put in your web property code or your pub ID. You can find that on your Ad Exchange account, Admin Global Settings. You will have there an Ad Exchange tab, and you just go ahead and grab your publisher ID. Display name is arbitrary. You can nominate any name you want. Email is optional. For the zip code, you can find that under Billing, Payments. Click Manage Settings, and you will see here the business name and address. Grab the zip code from there. Once done, click on Save. It will initially say Not Associated. You then need to go back to your Ad Exchange account, go to Admin, Linked Accounts, go to Incoming Ad Exchange tab, look for the Ad Manager network ID you're trying to link, and then click on Enable. Once that's done, the status here will change to Enabled, and on the Ad Manager account that you're linking, the status will change to Active. Under Orders, let's use this existing order here, which is Ad Exchange, and we'll create a line item. Here, you have to choose the line item type Ad Exchange. Again, this option will not show up unless you have Ad Exchange linked. Set up the rest of your settings, and here, you can decide when to start and when to end it. You notice there's no settings here or manual settings where you can change priority numbers or CPM rates, because that's how dynamic allocation works. It will only serve if it can pay the highest CPM. And here, you can control your targeting criteria, where you want this line item to compete or serve. Once you save the line item, you go to the Creatives tab, and you will have this button here, Automatically Generate Creative. You just go ahead and click that, and done. The next option is to set up Ad Exchange using yield groups. But here's the catch. This option is only available if you have a mapped account. That means you own the Ad Exchange account, and you will know if it's a mapped account because when you go to your Ad Manager, Admin Global Settings, you have this tab here, which is an Ad Exchange account settings. If it's only a linked account, like this one, when you go to Admin Global Settings, you don't have that feature or tab in there. So this one, you can link it, set up Ad Exchange on dynamic allocation, but you have to use the line item. On a mapped account, you can either do line item, like what we just did, or yield group. To set up the yield group on this mapped account, you go to Delivery, Yield Groups. Create a new yield group, set the status to active, select the ad format, and the inventory type. Then, set up your targeting criteria. And if you notice, under Yield Partners, you have Ad Exchange automatically added, status is active, and integration type is real-time CPM. Once everything's set, just click on Save. With this option, you no longer need to create a line item because you already have Ad Exchange targeting your inventory in here. But again, this is by the use of a yield group. The only limitation is that you can only do this option here if you have a mapped account.